Do you know you can run Claude Code completely offline? No Anthropic account, no API key, no internet, no monthly bill. Your own AI model running entirely on your computer. Your code never leaves your machine, and this is how you can do it. So there will be two tools, that's it. First is Ollama, and Ollama is free app that runs AI model directly on your computer. No cloud, no server, everything stays local. Second is Claude Code. Claude Code is a developer tool that lives in your terminal. It reads files, writes code, fixes bugs, and explains things. Normally it needs Anthropic server. We are going to connect Claude Code to Ollama instead. So Claude Code thinks it's talking to Anthropic, but it's actually talking to a model running on our machine. So there will be zero cost, zero data sent anywhere, and completely private. So without wasting any more time, let's get started how to do that. Now you have to go to Ollama website and copy the install command, paste it into your terminal and press enter. You will see multiple lines running. Don't worry, it's installing Ollama. Give it all the permission if it asks. Once it's done, open your browser and go to localhost 11434. If you see Ollama is running, that means it is installed correctly. Now go back to Ollama website and scroll down and find Claude Code. Copy the install command based on your system. I'm using macOS, so I selected Mac. If you are on Windows, select Windows and paste the command in the terminal and press enter. Claude Code will be installed. Now we need to configure Claude Code to run with Ollama without using Anthropic server. For that, run the Ollama launch command with config, and it will ask if you want to use Qwen model. For now, select no, so you can explore other models. You will see multiple models available. You can choose from here, or you can choose from Ollama website also. Now important note is that always choose a model based on your system. If your laptop has 8 GB of RAM, don't install any heavy models like 70 billion parameters or 120 billion parameters. It will not work properly. I am selecting Qwen 8 billion parameter model. My laptop configuration is 16 GB RAM with M1 Pro chip. Now it will start downloading, and once the download is complete, launch the Claude Code again. Now if you see an error like Claude Code not installed, you can install it using npm also. So here you can see I have copied the npm command and pasted it, and just make sure the Node.js is installed in your system. After installing, launch again and select your downloaded model. Claude will open and it will ask you to select a theme. You can pick whatever looks good to you, doesn't matter. It may also ask you to trust the folder you are working in, and you have to select yes. Now Claude Code is running 100% on your local machine. No data is going anywhere, no internet is needed. Now let's make sure everything is working. So here I am typing hi. Now wait, because this is running on your local machine. The first response may take 5 to 10 seconds. This is completely normal. Your machine is doing the AI processing, not a server far away. And if you get a reply like me, you are done. Claude Code is working locally. You now have a full AI coding assistant running on your local machine. No subscription, no API key, no data leaving your computer. And the model you choose decide the quality. If you upgrade the RAM, you can upgrade the model. And if you face any issue, drop it in the comments. I will reply with a fix. And like this video if this video helped you. Subscribe for more videos like these, and I will catch you in the next one.